Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. I'm that bitch, I ain't even gonna hold it.
Hey babes, it's the Barbie and I am back with another video. If you're a return subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the bougie crew because it's a bougie way or no way, period. Y'all know what's going on. I am back with another hair review slash hair installation, whatever you want to call it. Y'all know the vibes, y'all know what's going on. Excuse my trash in the back, y'all. I'm trapping out the crib every day, all day, okay, period. So this is Allove hair, 24-inch. Yes, 24-inch wig, straight. They're 24-inch lace front wig, straight, 150 density. And I put some crimps in there or whatever. I bought me a crimp from Walmart the other day. And actually yesterday. Bought me a crimp yesterday. And I decided to put like some little waves in it. So I didn't really do that much plucking on the sides. My arms be hurting, y'all. And I just, you know, I did what I could do. And this is what I could do. And it looks good. It looks presentable for me. So this is their 24-inch. True to its length. Super soft and silky. Yeah, so if y'all want to see how I got this look, this quick, cute, simple look, then please continue watching this video. Let me know what y'all think in the comments on this look, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well if you're not already, period, and join the bougie crew. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I hope y'all enjoy the video. So this is the box that came in, and the first step we're gonna do is put the cap over our ears and go ahead and cut the ears out so that way the cap will lay flat. And then I'm going to go in and use my free spray and spray it around the hairline and then blow dry it until it is completely dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to cut the remaining of the cap, and then I'm going to go in with my powder foundation in the color Ebony and put it over the front of the cap. Okay, now I'm just adjusting the wig to my head, and then I'm going to use my wax stick to move all of the flyaways out of the way so that way I won't have any distractions or interruptions when trying to lay my lace. To begin cutting the lace. So I cut by the ears first, and then I do the front last. So what I'm going to do basically when I get done cutting the ears is just apply my Bougie Barbie hair gel and my Gotta Be Free spray on the hairline and blow dry it until it is tacky. I'm going to comb the lace and the hair into the product and blow dry it. I'm cutting the lace. Remember to always cut in a zigzag motion when you are cutting your lace. Now for all the pieces of lace that did not stick down, I'm just going in with my freeze spray and spraying it down and blow drying it. Right here I'm taking a cotton ball with alcohol on it and just wiping away all of the freeze spray residue. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my middle part. I like to part my hair first before I like do plucking and stuff like that. So I'm doing my middle part and I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb to lay down the middle part, and then I'm going to go in and pluck the parts, and then you'll see me using my my powder foundation in the color Ebony on the part, so that way it will look natural. Do some simple baby hairs using my Bougie Barbie mousse, which is available now. And yeah, so I'm just doing some simple baby hairs. You don't have to do yours like this. This is just how I do mine. I really do mine different every single time, so like I said, it's really up to you on how you want to do your baby hairs. That I got from Walmart. I think it was just like $20, and I'm just about to go in and crimp my hair. just applying my lip gloss in Barbie Splash before I give y'all some looks. And that's just going to be the end of the video right there. So I hope y'all enjoy. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, babes.